Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manunood.
You love me like I'm a high guy. Keep thinking of me, yeah, do what you like. So don't forget about the world, 'cause it's gonna be me and you tonight.
Hello Philippines and hello world!
I'm gonna make your bed for you, and then I'm gonna swallow my pride. I'm gonna make you feel like you're the only girl in the world, like you're the only one that I'll ever love, like I'm the only one that knows your heart, only girl in the world, like I'm the only one that's in command, 'cause you're the only one that understands how to make me feel like a man. Only girl, take me for a ride, ride. Baby, take me high, high. Let me make you first, first. Make it last all night, night. Take me Thought I saw a girl brought to life. She was warm, she came around, she was dignified. Showed me what it was to cry. You couldn't be that girl I adore. You don't seem to know or seem to care what your heart is for. But I don't know her anymore. There's nothing left, I used to cry. My conversation has run dry. That's what's going on. Nothing's fine, I'm torn. I'm all out of faith, and this is how I feel. Cold and I am ashamed, lying naked on the floor. Illusion never changed into something real. I'm wide awake and I can see the perfect sky is torn. You're a little late, I'm already torn. I'm already torn. There's nothing left, I used to cry. Inspiration has run dry. That's what's going on. Nothing's fine, I'm torn. I'm torn. Nothing's fine, I'm torn. I'm all out of faith. This is how I feel. I'm cold and I am ashamed, and I'm lying broken on the floor. Illusion never changed into something real. I'm wide awake and I can see the perfect